Ever wondered what happens when a fuse blows? Well, let's dive in. A fuse, my friends, is a crucial component of any electrical circuit. It's designed to protect our devices from potential damage caused by an electrical overload or short circuit. You see, each fuse has a specific current carrying capacity, which is the maximum amount of electrical current it can safely handle. When the current flowing through the fuse exceeds this limit, we're dealing with an overload. A short circuit, on the other hand, is when an electrical circuit unintentionally creates a low resistance path, resulting in excessive current flow. In both cases, the fuse steps in to save the day. It blows or melts, breaking the circuit and preventing any further current flow. This act of self-sacrifice protects the rest of the circuit and any connected devices from damage. So, a fuse is essentially your first line of defense against electrical hazards. Now, you might be curious about what actually happens when a fuse blows. Let's demystify this process. When an electrical circuit experiences an overload or a short circuit occurs, the fuse steps into action. The overload or short circuit causes a surge of electricity, way beyond what the fuse is designed to handle. This causes the fuse to heat up. As the temperature rises, the metal wire or strip inside the fuse starts to melt. This melting is not a malfunction, but a deliberate design. This is the fuse doing its job. The melting breaks the circuit, halting the flow of electricity. By doing this, the fuse prevents the excess electricity from damaging your appliances or causing an electrical fire. So, the next time a fuse blows, remember, it's not a nuisance. It's a silent guardian, protecting your electrical system from potential harm. In short, when a fuse blows, it's doing its job of safeguarding your electrical circuit. But what do you do when a fuse blows? Well, first things first, don't panic. This is a common occurrence and can be addressed with careful attention. The key here is not to rush into replacing the fuse. Instead, it's crucial to understand why the fuse blew in the first place. Did you have too many appliances running simultaneously, causing an overload? Or was there a short circuit? These are the types of questions you need to ask. Once you've identified the problem, take appropriate steps to rectify it. This could mean unplugging a few appliances or fixing a faulty wiring. Now, you're ready to replace the blown fuse. But remember, safety is paramount. Ensure the main power supply is turned off before you start. If you're uncertain, it's always best to call a professional electrician. Remember, when dealing with a blown fuse, always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to call in the pros if needed.